Welcome back, whānau. Tonight, it's about 10 o'clock at night, and tomorrow I'm actually meeting up with Bus Life NZ, so another awesome YouTube channel here, actually a huge inspiration for Chelsea and I. So check them out if you haven't already, I'll link them down below. But Andy from Bus Life is going to help me replace the house battery in Rosy. So Rosy currently has a 100 amp hour house battery, and we're finding it's just not enough power. It's not enough for what we want to do, for how long we want to be off grid. So I bought this sucker. Check it out. So this big girl is 250 amp hours. So currently this motorhome has a 100 amp hour battery, and that's quite typical for rental motorhomes in New Zealand. They're kind of expecting people to stay at campgrounds where there's shore power, that sort of thing, but we obviously like to go off grid more. So this is about the biggest battery I could fit under the seat here where the other battery is. It's just a few centimeters smaller than the actual compartment. So below the two seats here of Rosy is where our electrical is. So under the seats here in Rosy we have our current 100 amp hour AGM battery. This battery is still actually in good condition, it's just 100 amp hours isn't giving us the power we need basically. We also have a safe, so these buses have a electronic safe in them. Obviously being a rental, you know, tourists want to put passports, that sort of thing in them. In order to get the new battery in, the safe's going to have to come out. So first things first, let's whip the safe out. And then tomorrow we're going to take this battery out, and we're going to put our new one in here and just swap these connectors over. So hopefully it all goes to plan.
Bronson from Adventures with Rosy is being filmed by me, Andy from Bus Life NZ. And what are we doing? We're changing over your battery.
Yeah, we're swapping this battery out with a more powerful one. So we've disconnected the solar panels from the charge controller. Now we're going to flick the isolator switch. Insert footage later. And now, hopefully we're showing there's no power there.
Let's have a look.
What does it say? 13 volts.
I'm pushing buttons and nothing's happening. There's no display.
Perfect.
I think we're good. So hooked up, ready to go.
Moment of truth.
Are you worried you're going to blow up?
Yeah, I am, yeah. That's what I'm trying to sit as far away as I can. Is it going to be alright?
Oh, we'll see.
Don't say that.
Go. Hey, nothing blew up.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. New batteries in, all hooked up, all running correctly. We're about to go away to the East Cape for just over a week, so we're going to test the battery out, run the fridge a ton throughout that process, see how it performs. So I'll give you an update at some stage on that. Going to bring you a ton more content of the East Cape of New Zealand. So it's quite a beautiful remote part of New Zealand. I've never been there actually. Looks incredible though. So yeah, if you want to see some of those vlogs coming up, then hit that subscribe button. If you got any questions at all about the battery or the electrics of Rosy, ask them below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.